All Season Auto Wash is Colorado Springs' premier car wash.
I'm a mom on the go with 3 kids. I have kids that are twins, 7, 7, and 10. I need somewhere to go that's fast, quick, and that does the right job the first time. That's why I take my car to All Seasons Auto Wash. I get in and out in no time at all, 21 free vacuums, free floor mat washer. Can't go wrong.
After you vacuum, you head over to the free, state-of-the-art floor mat washer. And then the vehicle is directed in the tunnel where your cleaning pros start prepping the vehicle. Here the high-powered washer knocks off the heavy road grime. Then brushes are used to remove bugs and other debris. And then the magic begins with the lava bath protectant. All Seasons Auto Wash features technology and techniques that are not found anywhere else in Colorado Springs. Now you can just sit back and enjoy your 140-foot journey through the state-of-the-art car wash tunnel. And you can feel comfortable that with the neoprene contact brushes and precisely tuned spray nozzles, it will not harm your high-end luxury vehicle.